So we're in the cleaning and sanitizing section, right? All right, so it says the Center for Disease Control, CDC, cites contaminated equipment, utensils, meat slicers, cutting boards, etc., as a leading cause of foodborne disease outbreaks. Cleaning and sanitizing are often confused as one and the same. However, these are two separate and distinctive processes. Cleaning is the process of removing visible contaminations, soil, grease, food particles, dirt, etc., from any equipment or utensils. Sanitizing, on the other hand, reduces harmful microorganisms to an acceptable level, which in turn reduces the possibility of disease transmission. It is extremely important that all food contact surfaces are clean and sanitary. Any part of utensils or equipment that comes in contact with food is called food contact surface. These may also include surfaces from which food may drip, drain, or splash back onto other food contact surfaces or food. For example, when using microwave ovens, the food particles stuck on the side or top of the interior of the microwave oven may splash or dip back onto the foods being reheated or cooked in the microwave oven. Ew. It is important to note that although most people are familiar with the concept of sanitizing, the proper procedures are often overlooked or misunderstood, especially when it comes to the chemistry and exactness of the process. There are two acceptable methods of sanitizing: hot water sanitizing and chemical sanitizing. Hot water sanitizing. This method of sanitizing involves the use of hot water and a three-compartment sink. Items to be sanitized are soaked in hot water at a temperature of 170 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 30 seconds. Generally, the third compartment sink is filled with hot water and heated by as a gas burner or electrical coils. Water is heated to 170 degrees Fahrenheit and then maintained at that level. A long handled mesh basket is needed to soak utensils because 170 degrees is hot, y'all. And then maintaining a thermometer must be used to determine temperature readings. Chemical sanitization. This method requires even more precise knowledge and greater controls than the hot water sanitizing method, since the effectiveness of the sanitizer is dependent upon exact amounts of chemicals used. When using commercially prepared sanitizers, simply follow the manufacturer's instructions. The most common way of making a sanitizing solution is by using regular household bleach, 5.25% sodium hydrochloride. In this respect, ensure that the bleach is not ultra bleach or extra strength bleach. It is also worth noting that only pure bleach should be used without any additional additives, and it should never be mixed with detergent, which will reduce the strength of the sanitizing solutions. The following table explains how to make various sanitizing solutions using household bleach: 5.25% sodium hydrochloride. The table above provides a guide to using sanitizing solutions for manual sanitizing with different chemicals. Wiping cloths. Sufficient number of wiping cloths for cleaning and sanitizing must be available in every work area due to the fact that bacteria, guys, give me a second, grows and multiply in moist environments. Moist wiping cloths must be stored in a bucket of sanitizing solution when they are not in use. The strength of this solution must be at least 50 ppm. That is from the little prior chart that we saw in the little square box. The sanitizing solution must be changed frequently since food debris uses up the sanitizing uses up the sanitizer quickly. Warewashing manual facilities. For manual washing and sanitizing of utensils, a stainless steel sink with no fewer than 3 compartments should be provided. A 2 compartment sink may be used for the washing and sanitizing of bar glasses. In these cases, an electrical brush device should be used in conjunction with the combination detergent sanitizer in the sink compartment used for washing utensils. The sink compartments must be large enough to accommodate the largest pieces of equipment or utensils to be cleaned, and each compartment should be supplied with adequate hot and cold portable running water. In the case of equipment too large to be sanitized by immersion, the shabbing of such equipment with a solution of at least twice the concentration required for the sanitizing solution when used for immersion is also acceptable, which means you can sanitize something that won't fit, but you just have to double up on the amount of sanitizing solution that you put in there. Mechanical facilities. A commercial dishwasher a commercial dishwashing machine approved by NSF under standard number 3 should be provided should be provided. The installations are required what? The installations and required appurtenances should be in the conformance with NSF standard number 34. The NSF Manual of Sanitation Aspects of Installation of Food Service Equipment and applicable code requirements. Among the specific requirements for installation of machines that use chemicals to achieve sanitation are the following. The chemical sanitizing feeder should be approved for use with the specific make and model of the machine in question. A visual flow of indicator is suggested to facilitate monitoring of the operation of the sanitizing agent feeder. Other indicating devices such as audible alarm may also be used. The flow indicating devices should be installed so as to be easily viewed by the operator. General. Adequate facilities should be provided for pre-flushing or pre-scraping equipment and utensils. A floor drain is recommended in the immediate vicinity of the washing area and any area where wet pots, utensils, and equipment are air drying.